What's up, everybody? My name is Devraj. I go by Choice Beats in the Beatbox community, and welcome back. There are numerous ways to earn money as a beatboxer slash solo artist, and it's best practice to have some, if not all, of the following elements. Laying a strong foundation augments you, yourself, and your brand towards the future of your career. And overall, this is meant to showcase your talent and skill, which will earn you subsequently direct and indirect income. Numero uno, social media. The most obvious, but sometimes we just gotta spell it out. From your Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, TikTok, Snapchat, etc. It's super vital and important that they're clean and up to date. In today's world, social media really is a reflection of who you are as a person, what your brand is, and really what image you're trying to give out to the rest of the world. If someone hasn't met you, this is that way for them to get to know you. That being said, it's super important and vital to the foundation of representing who you are and who you're aiming to be in the future and the trajectory of your career. Numero dos, branding. What does it mean? It can mean a lot of things, and it's used everywhere in today's modern society. Whether you're a beatboxer or solo artist, entrepreneur or freelancer, branding is branding. Usual things that come up when we talk about brand may be logo design, certain usage of fonts to represent your name, your artist name, or your company name, etc. But it could mean a lot of different things as well. A brand really is what you're trying to portray to the outside world. Numero tres, website, email. Why do I mention these two? In today's world, it's hard to contest the fact that social media is where all the eyes are at. That being said, social media can be a small part of one's brand. It could be the whole thing as well. Similar to how a website can be a small portion of one's brand today, or it was the entire thing maybe years ago, and maybe even today. They're on this list because social media is a great proponent towards one's career and one's brand in general. But at the same time, social media can come and it can go. Look at Vine a few years ago. For this same exact reason, there's two things that no one can take away from you, and they're your website and they're your email. So to sum it all up, 3 items: social media, branding, as well as website/email. But how do all these 3 tie into each other? Well, to me, it's a concept known as lead generation. Lead generation is essentially on the path to closing an opportunity. It's about getting those leads first. You need a lead in the first place to bring it home, to hit that home run. So with social media or your brand or your website, when those that discover you and everything's intact and holistic, these potential leads could be maybe wanting to reach out to you, maybe inquire, maybe want to actually close the deal, maybe hire you for something, maybe give you a gig somewhere. And it works the other way too. You could also reach out to certain individuals because you have these 3 prereqs intact and they're strong, they're your foundation, and you deserve what you're trying to put out into the world. On that note, y'all, thank you for coming to the end. I hope these 3 prereqs were somewhat at least thought-provoking, because from here, we'll be diving deeper into indirect and direct ways beatboxers/solo artists can earn real money. Thank you so much. Devraj. Go by Choice Beats in the Beatbox community. See you very soon. Please drop a like, drop a comment, subscribe, consider to share. You know what to do. It's been real. See you very soon.